everyone. Today we're going to be working with chainsaws, but Levi doesn't know it. We have a surprise for him. You want to go see?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Huh?
Let's go see.
Mommy!
Levi's been using a handsaw, but today he's going to use
Me.
a chainsaw.
Me.
Whoa.
Me.
Is this for you?
Yeah.
Now you'll have a chainsaw like Daddy's.
Nice.
You can help me? We have a lot of wood to cut today.
Yeah. Yay. Okay.
What's in there?
Meow, Mom.
Okay, came with another extra handsaw.
Mommy, yeah! Mommy, Dada! Mommy, Dada!
Is that like that?
Yeah, Mommy. Oh, boo! Oh, no! Mommy, yo-yo!
Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
Whoa. This is for Levi.
Guess what we need?
Batteries. Look. Boom, 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 boom. Now you can hold it like Daddy. Yeah.
Cut some wood.
We gotta put batteries in it and it'll spin. It'll go zzz.
There's your goggles. These are your masks. Mom,
I just edit that out.
Those goggles.
Okay, Levi, look. We use Phillips head screwdriver and we're gonna take out the screw, okay? We turn it to the left. Levi, look. This one's special. It has a spinning head. If we put that against our hand, then we can twist it like this. Twist it to the left. Lefty loosey. Okay, we put the batteries in. See the flat side? Flat side goes on the spring. Look, Levi.
Mom.
Levi. Flat side goes on the spring.
Mom.
Tape measure.
Me.
It only takes 3.
Daddy's putting in batteries. Look.
Oh, body.
Ready? It's gonna work.
Okay, let's put it back in. Righty tighty.
Mama.
Okay, ready? Oh. Whoa. Maggie, cut stuff. Cut it. Oh, wow. You want to go work? All right, Levi, before we get ready for chainsawing, we got to get our boots on. You've already got your shoes on, but Daddy's got to get his on.
Yeah.
Left foot. Can you see left foot? Right foot. Okay, let's tie our boots. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's cross our laces. Pull it tight. Cross them. Let's make a loop. Go around, back under, pull it tight. Double knot. Next one. Cross it over. Under, pull it tight. Make a loop. Go under, pull it tight. Double knot. Okay, Levi, get your chainsaw. Now let's go get Daddy's chainsaw.
Yeah.
Let's go. Rag slap. Rag slap. Come on, Levi. Let's go. Oh, Lily is already using a saw. Now you can.
Yeah.
Let's go get Daddy's chainsaw. Come on, buddy.
Mommy.
Other hand. You just get the gator for us.
Yeah.
Here. Do you want to start working on this log right here? Here's one. Put your goggles on.
Yeah.
Got to make sure we have our safety gear. There you go. Now you can saw it. Whoa! Yep, make sure you hold on with 2 hands. Okay, good job. Now you want to measure it?
Yeah.
Okay, put your saw down. Okay, use your measure.
Mama.
That's Lily. Here.
Daddy.
Now use your tape measure. Measure how long it is. Make sure it's the right size. Okay. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay. You put it back on your belt.
He's super cute, isn't he?
There you go. Okay, let's go get Daddy's saw ready.
Yeah.
Okay, here's the saw. It's in its case.
Yeah. It looks like a box.
It's in its saw case right
It
now.
looks like a box one.
Let's open it up. There's Daddy's saw.
Yeah.
Whoa, where's your saw? Come put it next to Daddy's. Let's see. Come put it next to Daddy's. Look at that. It's like a baby.
Yeah.
It's a baby saw.
Mine.
Okay, let's get Daddy's saw ready. Okay, we need to check the oil
Yeah.
and fill it up with gas. The oil reservoir and the fuel tank. Okay, let's add oil to the bar chain oil tank here. This keeps the chain from getting too hot and getting stuck. Okay, let's close that off. All right, let's put some gas in it. This is 2-stroke fuel, so it has oil mixed into it.
About.
Yeah, can you say 2-stroke?
So.
Yeah, good job.
You do chainsaw? Oh yeah. No chainsaw.
Drip, drip, drip. Put this cap back on.
They're the same.
Lock it down. Okay, now we can get our safety equipment on. Let's put our chaps. Can you say chaps?
Help.
Okay, we'll put these on so that if the blade hits us, it won't cut our leg. Gotta clip the clips. You see how these clip in the back, Levi?
Oh,
Bella, what do these chaps do?
they save you from not cutting.
Yep, they protect our legs so we don't get cut. Okay, let's get our helmet and keep us from getting sunburned. We put this on over our neck like this. Otherwise, we get sunburned if we're out here all day, and it hurts. There we go.
Huh?
And our safety glasses. Okay, now we're ready to go sawing.
Yeah.